Hey everybody, I'm jumping on here before the day ends to go over quickly how you need to think about collaborating and networking because I feel like a lot of people have this all wrong. I get a lot of DMs and messages with people just sending me their materials, whether it's their artwork or writing samples or whatever it is. And I know that their intent is to collaborate, but they're going about it the wrong way. So I want to give you a framework to think about how to network and collaborate, how to network and collaborate up and down and vertically. And so if you start out by understanding that you can collaborate and network both horizontally and vertically, and this is you, okay? That is your level. Let me move that over a little bit so that you can see it. That would help. This is you, okay? That is your level, whatever level you are at the current moment. And so if you collaborate horizontally, that means you're collaborating with people who are on your level. And so that means that when you present a collaboration or you are trying to network with someone on your level, the offer has to be mutually beneficial. It has to be mutually beneficial. What can you get out of this collaboration and what can the other person get out of this collaboration? And you have to think about what that mutual benefit might look like. So this year, I did a live event with someone else in my space who is on a similar level as me in terms of the audience that we target and the audience that we help. Now, you can also collaborate vertically. And with all three of these, you need to have something of value to offer. Now, here's the kicker. So, you might say, well, why would I want to collaborate with people who are below me in terms of what I am doing? Well, let's go back to what I said at the beginning when we talked about people that are sending me messages with their work, with their intellectual property. Their intention is to try to collaborate with me and get their name out there. But the reason why it's not working is because they're not presenting me with anything that I find valuable or beneficial. So I've gotten two messages over the last couple weeks. One was someone just sending me their materials and telling me all about how awesome they were. The other was another student actually that said, "Hey, Dr. Howard, I really admire your work. I would like to do a paid or unpaid internship with you for credit at my university because I really just want to learn from you." That is a message that I responded to because the person is talking about how they can help me. The same thing when I want to write for people who are above my level. I don't just send them an email talking about how amazing I am. The very first line is, "Hey, I see you're trying to tell amazing stories. I can help you tell your stories, and here's how." And I would love to be able to get on your team to be one of your writers. That is literally how I got one of my highest paid gigs last year. I emailed the celebrity and told him I wanted to help him. I didn't spend an entire paragraph talking about how amazing I was. Now, if you are collaborating with someone below you, you need to see that as an opportunity for yourself as well, because one of the ways that you get better at what you do and master what you do is to mentor people who are not on your level. Because if you can teach something to someone who is behind you, it's going to make you better, more efficient, and more effective. So this is how you should think about collaborating and networking, both with people that are on your level and with people that are below you. And for those who are trying to collaborate with people who are above them, you need to focus on how you can add value to that person and what you can offer them. Now, if I am here and I want to collaborate with people who are above me, the same principles apply. In the example that I just gave, the celebrity that I wanted to write for, I had to lead with what I can offer him and the value I could add. Otherwise, he would have never responded to my email if I just sent him a bunch of scripts and said, "Hey, I'm awesome. This is all the work that I've done." So when you think about how to collaborate and network, you want to think about it in two terms, both horizontally and vertically, and use the same metrics for each. What is the offer? What is the value you can add? So I hope this helps. Let me know in the comments if it does, and if I can be of any assistance in the DMs.